Hello guys, welcome back to my review class. Today I'm going to talk about phonology. My name is Vika, Abidah, Astriyant, Saputri. Without any wasting time, let's go to the first material identification. In this class, we learn about phonology. Basically, it's about how sounds work in a language and how they are organized into patterns. Phonology is the study of how speech sounds functions and interact in a particular language, while phonetics focuses on how sounds are made physically. Phonology looks at how the sounds behave and in a system of a language, like which sounds can go together and how they change in different situations. In phonology, we learn to understand how pronunciation patterns form. It helps us to speak more naturally, recognize accent difference, and analyze the sound system of English and other languages. Sorry, kata. 2. Concept and theory. We learn about phonemes, allophones, minimal pairs, syllable structure, stress, and intonation. I'm sorry. And also word connection rules like linking, assimilation, elision, and interaction. I think in my class it's just linking and assimilation. I just remember about that. I forgot. What are the key terms to remember? Some important ones are phonemes, smallest sound unit that can teach meaning like P and B in pat and bad. I already used this example on the morphology class. Yeah. Second, allophones, different versions of the same sounds depending on context. Minimal pair, two words that differ by one sound like pan and pan. Pan and pan. Pan and pan. Pan and pan. Is that like pan to write and pan to cook? Pan to write and pan to cook. Is that? Okay, next. Stress and intonation. How we emphasize certain syllables and control pitch in speech. Word connection rules, and this is what my favorite one. How sounds blend or change when we speak fast. For example, want to become wanna or next day sounds like a next day. Or what you become what you doing guys like or call her become caller call him and yeah and others. I really like the word connection rules. Like I love word connection rules. How this concept different from related concepts. Phonology focuses on patterns and rules of sound use, while phonetics focuses on actual production of sounds. Phonology tells us why certain sound change. For example, linking R happens in English between two vowels like far away, far away, far away, far away, far away, far away. Are there any models, diagrams, or tables that help explain the concept? Yes, we use phonemes cards, syllable trees diagrams, and table that shows connected speech rules. Those are super helpful to visualize how sounds are connected in influence speech. 3.3 Example and application. What examples given in class, it's like linking, go on, becoming go on, go on, go on, go on, go on, and then assimilation, green park to green park. How can I create my example myself? I already did it before. Like what you doing today? Like what you doing today, and some others. Because I really like the word connection rules. Like I'm obsessed with word connection rules. So four, connection between topics. How does this topic related to previous or other topics? Phonology. I'm sorry. Phonology Phonology connects with phonetics, since it uses the sound we study there, and morphology, since change in sounds can affect word forms. 5. Difficulties and challenges. Which part are difficult to understand? For me, the hardest part is remembering when to use each word connection rules because it happens naturally fast speech, not always in slow and careful pronunciation. Like it's really like I usually like before in this class, I didn't know that I already used the word connection rules. Like I've heard it before in a reels or short video, and I didn't know it. Like it's already happened. Like in my everyday life, and if like I have to like in a theory, like is this what is the word connection rules? I told it's like I don't know. I just think it like it's natural. Yeah, it's like that. Other terms or concepts that are confusing? Yes. The difference between assimilation and elision. Sometimes I can hear them clearly when people speak fast. Like I can difference that too. Assimilation and elision. And six. Conclusion and personal understanding. I learned that phonology is all about patterns of sounds and how they change depending on context. It's not only about knowing sounds, but also about understanding how sounds connect, blend, and affect meaning in real speech. The most important thing in learning the word connection rules, they help me sound more fluent and natural in speaking English. Like I really like word connection rules. Ah. So yeah, that's all for my. What is this? I forgot. About my phonology. Is this phonology? Right. For my phonology review, so see you on my next video. It's about syntax. You know what? I'm really excited with syntax. Like, I thought syntax really. Ugh, but it's not. When I understand syntax, like the subject, NP, PP, SP, I understand syntax. Bye bye.